Tomatoes can be temperamental. If conditions are off, too hot, too cold, or too humid, the flowers may fall off without setting fruit, a problem called blossom drop. Tomatoes crack when they absorb water too quickly, often after heavy rain or irregular watering, causing the skin to split as the fruit expands. Consistent watering helps prevent this by reducing sudden changes in moisture level. Blossom end rot is a common tomato problem caused by calcium deficiency, often triggered by inconsistent watering, and shows up as dark, sunken spots on the bottom of the fruit. Affected tomatoes should be removed, and the issue can be fixed by watering consistently and adding mulch to retain moisture. Tomato plants turn yellow mainly due to overwatering or nitrogen deficiency, which weakens the roots and limits nutrient uptake. To fix this, let the soil dry slightly between waterings and feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer high in nitrogen. Removing yellow tomato plant leaves helps prevent the spread of disease and allows the plant to focus energy on healthy growth and fruit production. It also improves air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal infections. Zipper marks on tomatoes are caused by fused flower parts or slight genetic quirks that create scar-like lines along the fruit's skin. They're purely cosmetic and not harmful, so there's no need for concern.